Here we've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to turn off your phone. To do it, just tap on power key and then select power off. As only your phone is shut down, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And now you are in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So let me choose recovery mode and then tap on volume down key to select it. Let me click again. Okay, so here we are in Android recovery mode, in which you can use both volume up and down keys for navigation, and then for selection use power key. So now just scroll down to wipe cache partition. Here is this option, and then tap on power key to perform this operation. Then go to yes to confirm that you want to perform this operation, and that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete. So now we can reboot system. Now all you have to do is to tap on power key to pick this option. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode and you've just wiped the cache partition. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.